Hi there, it's Jonathan again from Attic Watch Company with a short product video of some of the new stock that's just come in. Firstly, we've got this amazing condition Omega Seamaster Cosmic. The dial really is impressive. I've got a bit of light coming through the window there and you can see it catches on the battens. It's a grey, sometimes it's a silver, sometimes it's a graphite, so really unusual dial, original dial in great condition. So the Cosmic was a front loading watch, so no case back. The watch is all entered through the front via the glass. It's what they call a monocoque design. You've got the model number in the back there, 136017, and the Seamaster Hippocampus. Case is in great condition. We just gave it a light polish and slightly refinished the starburst satin effect on the front. So it's a mechanical manual wind. They made automatics, they made calendars, they made day date, and they made manual, this model. 5 or 6 different variations. So we're dating this to 1970. But yeah, the dial is what makes this watch totally more appealing than the standard silvered, like a black outer minute track, seconds track. So the Seamaster Cosmic, it's 35mm mechanical manual wind, original Omega crown. I'm going to put that on wrist. I've got a slightly oversized wrist that 7.5 inches, but it actually suits me down to the ground. It's, I'll wear anything from 32 to 38, so the size of the watches doesn't really worry me. It's Seamaster manual wind Cosmic stainless steel. That's just hit the site today. Comes with our full service warranty, 12 months. All original, really can't find a fault with this one. So if you have any further questions or queries, I'd like to come and view the watch, drop us a message or email or WhatsApp and we'll get back to you as fast as we can. So just to confirm, it's model 136017. Omega caliber 601 manual wind, and we're dating this to 1970.